Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum.
Dear students, today we will learn to read and write letter V. प्यारे बच्चों, आज हम लेटर V का पढ़ना और लिखना सीखेंगे. So trace your finger on letter V. लेटर V पर उंगली फेरें. Bravo, shabash. The sound of letter V is V. Letter V की आवाज है V. Trace letter V with a pencil. Letter V पर पेंसिल फेरें. Shabash. Now we will read keywords from letter V. अब हम letter V से बनने वाले अल्फाज पढ़ेंगे. Volcano, vase, vegetables, vulture, volcano, vase, vegetables, vulture. Now color these pictures. अब इन तस्वीरों में रंग भरें. शाबाश. Let's read together. आओ मिलकर पढ़ें. V letter, when.
V letter, when.
V letter, can.
V letter, when, can.
Circle letter V in the given letters. इन letters में V के गिर्द दायरा लगाएं. Connect van to the school with the help of lines. Bravo! Connect vegetables to the basket with the help of lines. Bravo! Connect vase to the flowers with the help of lines. Bravo! Dear teachers, discuss the picture with children and introduce letter V with phonic song. Discuss with children similarities and differences between village and city life. Take children outside the classroom for nature walk and ask them to tell what they saw in the environment. For example, birds, trees. Teach vocabulary as sight words with pictures or play cards. Repeat the words village, wet, vase, volcano, vulture.
Do you know wet treats animals?